So good day guys, in this video I want to show you a step-by-step process on how to automate your messaging reply on WhatsApp using ChatGPT, right? We all know that before the era of ChatGPT, we have always been automating our message reply using different kind of application like auto reply, like autoresponder. These applications have been doing great jobs, but they have their own shortcomings. Is that most of them, people get to know easily that they are chatting with a bot. And biggest another biggest disadvantage is whenever people talk out of context of the rules that you have set for that autoresponder, then the autoresponder stops working there. So that is a very big disadvantage of this kind of application. But now that we have ChatGPT, OpenAI, so what about if we can connect OpenAI, ChatGPT to our WhatsApp and it can be the one replying those messages for us? So that is what I want to do in this training. So, but for us to do this, we cannot just connect ChatGPT to our WhatsApp easily like that and start using it. No, we have to use a particular app that is going to help us to do this task, to connect ChatGPT with our WhatsApp. Let us go to our Google Play Store. Now, the name of this app is What's Auto, right? So I'm going to search for it. So right, this is the particular one we want to use. This particular one. But I have already downloaded it, so I'm just going to open it now. This app, if you are installing it for the first time, it will ask you of some permission. Make sure you accept all those permissions. So for us to do this task of connecting ChatGPT to this What Auto, so this application supports other social media network, which is the reason why I've chosen it for us to use for this training. I just like this particular application because it gives you access to connect other of various social media platforms to ChatGPT. So I can have all this, but for the purpose of this training, I'm just going to go with WhatsApp alone. The next thing I want to do now, guys, is to go to AI reply. Then for us to do this, we are going to need a key. Don't forget, we want to connect ChatGPT to our WhatsApp, but before we can do that, we need to connect What Auto first, then ChatGPT can start replying our messages. So we need to get a key, and how do we get this API key here? How do we get it? So we need to get it, and this is how we're going to get it. We simply go back to this place here. So I will look for help, then we tap help. So under the help, we go for community, click on Telegram. So now that you are in Telegram, so ensure you join the group and you click on this particular tag here. Where we have the community, just click on this, on that bar. So just go to link. Just follow me through, guys. This is a simple process. So we want to look for April. I want to look for April. Can you see that? April. OpenAI platform. And this particular one here. Platform openai.com/account/billing. That's what we want to look for. This particular one here. Then I'm going to click the link now. So alright guys, I've clicked the link and this is where I am now. So what I'm going to do now is to click these three dots right here, this three line up here. Then I'm going to see API reference. And I'm going to click on that. Now that I'm in API reference, what I want to look for is API key. This particular one here, this green one. Then the next thing I want to click is create new secret key. Now it is allowing me to do all these things because I have already created an account. So the first time you log into this website also, you might be asked to create an account. So you have to press the name of your key. Olaolu. Create secret key. Then this is the key, guys. This is the key I need. So I'm just going to copy it. API copied. So I'm going to go back to my What Auto, where I'm going to be pasting the key. So AI reply. Then I'm going to paste this key now. That's the key. This particular one. Okay, GPT 3.5 Turbo 0301. This one. GPT 3.5 Turbo. Yeah, I'm going to select that also. Then I will tap save. Now this has been saved now. Now that is not all. The next thing for us to do now to ensure that this is working is to train our ChatGPT. We all know that ChatGPT, OpenAI, this is just artificial intelligence. It will do whatever you want it to do in that manner at which you want it to do it, only if you train it. Also, you want to train this ChatGPT on how it should be replying my clients or my customer. Now I ask him to show me sample. Now this is a sample. Act as a persona. That is how you want to write your own also. So I'm going to tell ChatGPT to act as a personal assistant for our vegan blah 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 blah. So I already have my own. What I'm just going to do is to say okay, then I want to add my own now. And for the purpose of this training, I have a imaginary business which is Ankara business. We are say Ankara. So I'm just going to copy it and go back to ChatGPT to What Auto and paste it. Now this is the training I have for it. Act as a personal assistant for our online fashion store, Fash Clothing, blah blah blah. For your own business, if you have something you are selling or a particular service that people do pay for, then you want to put the price, specify the price of each or few of your commodity. So when people ask and ChatGPT can reply them. Also, don't forget to put the location of your business. If you have a website, put the link to that website into this training that you're giving to ChatGPT. So, or more like this test prompt. So tell him about the goals of your business right there. Put how many years your business has been in existence. So if your business run door-to-door delivery, so these are the things you want to put in this test prompt. So, and this is what ChatGPT is going to act on to reply your various messages. You need to do some finishing touch. Auto reply, this off already, you have to turn it on. So you have to turn it on here so it can run in the background, right? So auto reply test. So I'm going to look for ChatGPT here. I'm going to select ChatGPT. I don't want autoresponder to work for this app again. I want ChatGPT to work in place of that. So I'm going to select ChatGPT. You can see that I only press this pen. You don't want this ChatGPT to be replying everyone or my contact list. Or so if you need more information about this, always uncheck this group chatting with a bot. So if you want to know more about this list that we have here, this list just goes to this icon right here to show you more about this content here. So the statistics, so how many messages it has sent. So this is live, it's working now, it has turned to green. So that is all for this training, guys. So if you have more questions, please drop it in the comment section. I would like you to comment if you have anything, and like this video, share if you can, subscribe to this channel, and then hit the bell notification icon.